What's up guys, Mills is here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to sign any app for free on your iOS device without Mac or Windows. This method will allow you to sign any app you want and then install it on your device without any problem. And also I will show you how to duplicate apps. Alright guys, all of this can be done directly from your iOS device without any problem. You can download all Jailbreak apps or plus apps and install them on your iOS device. Alright, the first thing you will do is open Safari. Now go to this link. You will find this link below this video. Alright, after opening this link, you will find two options to download the certificate and the password. Okay, download the certificate first. Now click download. Click download. As you see, the certificate has been downloaded. Now download the password file to find out the password for the certificate. Okay, as you see here, the password is number 1. You will need this later. Alright, the second step is to download eSign app, which is an app that allows you to sign apps on your iOS device directly without need for a computer. Okay, now scroll down and press download. As you see, this app supports iOS 12 and above. Okay, click download. Now here click on this square button to download the app. Now click this button to start downloading the app. Alright, now just wait a few seconds and then you will see a pop-up to install the app. As you see, now here press install. Now the app will start downloading, just wait a few seconds. As you see guys, the app has been installed successfully. Now open the app. Okay, here click agree. Agree again. Okay, now the next step is to download the apps that you want to sign and install. You need to download it in IPA format. Okay, to do this, go to Safari. As you see here, I want to sign Instagram plus app and install it on my device. So I will download this app in IPA format. Alright, as you see, I've already downloaded the app. In case you want to download any app, you must download it in IPA format in order to be able to sign it and install it on your device. In case you want to download any app, you would type the name of the app in the Google search and type IPA next to it, just like this. Okay, click go. Alright, now go to the first website, which is iOS Ninja. Okay, now scroll down and click download IPA. You will be taken to the download page. Okay, scroll down and click download the file. Click download. As you see, the file is now downloading in IPA format. Alright, after downloading the apps that you want to install, now there are 2 steps left. Now you need to extract the zip file of the certificate that you downloaded. To do this, go to the Files app. Okay, here you will find the certificate file that you downloaded. Click on it to extract it. Okay, now open this folder. As you see here, you will find 2 very important files for signing apps. The first one is P12 and the second one is the certificate. Now go back to eSign app. Okay, here go to the settings at the bottom here. Here click import resources. Okay, now go to the browse option below here. Open the downloads folder. Now open the certificate folder. Here choose the P12 file first. It's very important that you choose P12 first. Okay, now enter the password. Of course, the password is number 1. Okay, just type 1 and click sure. As you see, the import was successful. Now click import resources again. Now we will choose the certificate. Okay, the import was successful. Now click import resources again. Okay, the last thing you will do is import the apps that you want to sign and install. You need to import the IPA file. Okay, as you see here, I have Instagram plus app and now I will import it here. As you see, this is the app. Now just wait a few seconds. Okay, the import was successful. Now go to the source option at the bottom here and you will find the apps that you have imported. Now click on the app. Here choose signature. As you see, this is the Instagram plus app. Now simply click on sign and wait a few seconds. Now the last step is to sign the app and then install it. As you see, the app has been signed successfully. Now click finish. Alright, now after signing the app, go ahead and install the app. When installing the app, make sure to install it from the signed option and not from the source option. Make sure to install it from this option because this option contains the apps that you signed. Now click on the app. Now press installation and wait a few seconds. You will see an alert to install the app. Just press install. Now go to the home screen and you will find the app. Okay, this is the app. Now just wait a few seconds. As you see, the app has been installed successfully. The app works without any problem. As you see guys, this is an incredible way to install any app you want on your device. You can easily sign and install any app with this amazing method. It's very simple method. Okay guys, now I will show you how to duplicate any app you want. Okay, go back to eSign app. Go to the source option here. Click on the app you want to duplicate. Okay, click signature. To duplicate the app to another version, all you have to do is change the first three data. First, change the name of the app. Okay, now change the bundle identifier. Just write or add any word. Okay, the last thing is change the version. Okay, after changing these data, click sign now. Alright, just wait a few seconds. As you see, the app was signed successfully. Now click finish. Now go to the signed option and install the app that you signed. As you can see, this is the second version of the app that I modified. I will install it now. Alright, click install. Now go to the home screen and you should find two versions of Instagram Plus app. As you see guys, the app has been installed successfully. As you see guys, now I have two versions of Instagram Plus app. It works without any problem. I can now use the two apps separately. This is how you can easily duplicate any app you want from your iOS device. You can create hundreds of copies of any app you want. I will create another copy of Instagram Plus app. Okay guys, I will repeat the same steps. As you see guys, now I have three versions of Instagram Plus app and they all work without any problems. Alright guys, this is how to sign apps from your iOS device without a computer. It's a very easy and simple method. And the best thing is that you don't need a computer to do this. Alright guys, the certificate may be closed by Apple at any moment. So hurry up and sign as many apps as you want. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.